how to set the key goals on Google Analytics. When we speak of key goals, the checkout funnels must be the top goal that you can create to check out all your checkout funnel and the steps and where your clients are dropping off, just to optimize that single steps in the checkout process. To do that, I will go to create a new goal. To do that, you do that in the admin section, and here in the view, you can go to goals and just create a new goal. And for let's just put checkout funnel. So this would be a destination goal. And what we are going to put in the details is in the destination, we are going to put the last URL of our funnel. Okay, so maybe the thank you page, maybe a /confirmation page. So you will want to put either the full URL or a regular expression that contains the last part of the URL. Okay, the value, you don't have to set that up because when you do the integration that Matias talked about, all the transactions value and the revenue will be imported automatically. So it's not needed to set that up, but we want to do the funnel, to enable the funnel. And here we are going to list all the other steps in our checkout funnels. So the first step may be the checkout. You just go and set here the checkout and then the full URL here. And you want to set it to required. So the checkout funnel will show all the steps that we saw, like here. Okay, so the checkout funnel will look something like this. And you access here from the conversion part of the menu, go to goals and funnel visualization. Okay, so it's a really valuable goal to create.